Hello everyone, it's BigSeller. This video is about how to match add stocks and price for Shopee active listings, and it can be done easily within 2 steps. Now just hit Products and select Shopee. Just tap Import and Export. Select Import to update stock and price. Now we need to select a store first. And you can select the category or just keep it blank. Now I will keep it blank and export it. Now just hit download. Here we can add the stock and price, just like this. Now I finished the form, I just save it and upload to BigSeller. Click here to upload the form. And for here, we can choose to update stock and update price. I will choose both of them and click confirm. Now I have successfully updated my stock and price for the shop. And please note that if your product is under promotion and the price cannot be changed. That's all about today's video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.